Thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, southern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sauté to Canton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Canton, Cumming, Dawsonville, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Milton, Duluth, Woodstock, Sugar Hill, Suwanee, Buford, Holly Springs, Brusselton, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, Berkeley Lake and Ball Ground. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.